So when you first sign up for Jellypod, you'll get thrown into this familiar chat-like interface where you could select a language for your podcast. You could upload PDF slides, YouTube videos, whatever sort of content into this chat box. So we're going to go from taking this idea and this content into a fully editable podcast on Spotify in under 3 minutes here. So I'm going to drag and drop a transcript of a podcast episode that I actually recorded, human recorded podcast. And I'm going to say, hey, focus on the LTX model that we talked about. And you can see how it summarized the transcript here. So we're going to do English, but we could do a bunch of different languages if you wanted to. Click Create Podcast now, and we'll wait for that to load. So once that loads, we're going to be generating a few unique hosts for the user. I've given them 5 hosts, and you can also create a voice clone here just with a few minutes of audio. So we are going to use Dean and Charlotte as our 2 co-hosts. We can actually add up to 4, but actually we'll do 3, Dean, Charlotte, and Maya. And then we'll generate our new show called Creative Flux. Now we have a podcast series, we have an episode, and now we just have to generate the audio. So what's actually happening right now is that we have this transcript between our hosts, Dean, Charlotte, and Maya. It's a technology show, LTXV2, and the future of AI-generated video and payments. And right now we're just generating that audio. And what it generates, we have the video, we have the unique, and
everyone, welcome back to Creative Flux.
Listen to the podcast.
Big milestone alert. We've hit 20 episodes. And I found out apparently...
Say we want to edit it, so click Edit. Okay, cool. So here's like the traditional editing interface that you'll see when using Jellypod. So now we're outside of the onboarding flow, and now we're actually into the editor interface. So we have our video on the left-hand side. We have our editable transcript on the right here. So every word is editable. So I can make adjustment, and it'll actually show you if you need to regenerate the audio for that section. I'll actually do that now. And you might want to expand the timeline and see all the audio segments. So you could see your entire audio here. You can see where it's next to. So we have a 3-minute or 2.5-minute short podcast, perfect for distribution. So if we just click Publish Episode, publish it now, click Publish, it renders the video. It goes out to Spotify, it goes out to YouTube, it goes out to Apple Podcasts. And yeah, so that's pretty much Jellypod. It's a really easy way to get your first podcast onto Spotify. Sweet, and I can share this episode with our friends, and I can just play it just like that.